boy made for the snow. This my glorified snowmobile. This boy hype. I don't care nobody. What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy j.koolii back on the video. Just wanted to show y'all the first real winter of Michigan. I just got done shoveling the snow. See, the good thing about having a lot of cars is you ain't gotta really shovel all that. But yeah, it's not crazy. Like, we knew it was gonna hit, but we didn't know it was gonna hit this hard. But I'm gonna let y'all look at everything. I'm gonna have to put the salt down. Scatty patty looking bad. Scatty down bad. Fucking poles that flew down. Got the police blocking it off. People turning around, making a U-turn. Somebody made a U-turn on my lawn. That junk crazy. I know I ain't do the best job, but it's cold out here. It's gonna have to do. Hopefully the salt get the rest of the snow. But, yeah, they over there fixing that junk. I might have to take a fucking ride in the scat, see how I doing in the blizzard. So stay tuned. Gotta clean this boy off. Probably get y'all a cold start. Give me a second. I'll get my keys. So I'm back on 93 now, so it shouldn't be any issues starting up. I hear it's gonna be like a couple issues when you switch back from E85 the first couple tries, because you know it still got E85 and stuff like that, still in fuel lines and stuff. So should I take y'all for a ride? See how the scat doing in a blizzard? Fuck it, I don't care. If I get stuck, y'all better like this video and watch all the ads. Alright, hold up. This boy on empty too. Let's see how we do. Cars coming. I know they see this pole that's down and the police right there. Like, use your brains. Yeah, go ahead, turn around for me. Let's see how this go, y'all. Ooh, that's the thing about getting brand new wheels. These boys work. Oh, he's sliding, yo. He's sliding. We moving though. We moving though. I ain't going too far either. Cause if I get stuck, ain't none of y'all gonna help me. I don't know what that is, but ooh, I just hit it. Right now I'm in eco. So you know the throttle, you feel me? So right now this like a free lane. It's a cop right here. So right now it's like a free lane right here. So I'm just bulling. I got this whole little lane to myself. So if something happen, that's on, you feel me? I should be good. Ooh, a couple reds. Hey, this boy getting through. Hey, I don't care what y'all say. If y'all got some good tires, feel me, you should be Gucci. I should put this boy in track. I ain't gonna do it though. Let's see how we stop. We stop good too. Okay, BF Good Rich. Okay, BF Good Rich. I see y'all. Oh, let me get this little drift in. Oh, hey, we out here. Hopefully I don't hit these damn trash cans. Y'all wanna see some Tokyo drift? some TS NLS on this, I'm gonna crash. Oh, it's cars and shit. I gotta be cool. Alright. Okay. As long as I don't hit none of these cars, I'm Gucci. See, that's another thing about the 305s, man. They come clutch in the wintertime. Clutch as hell. I'm gonna hit this smooth left though, cause I ain't trying to be driving all crazy. And these unpaved roads, Detroit, Michigan, worst roads in history. Ooh. I'm gonna get a little rev. See what happens. Woo! Hey, this boy made for the snow. This my glorified snowmobile. This boy hype. I don't care what nobody say. They gonna be sick because they got to turn. Woo! We out here. You gotta turn around anyway. Big dog. Slow down. What you doing, big dog? Yeah, make your left turn, bro. Or right turn, whatever the fuck. I'm out here. See, y'all gonna follow me like some dummies. Y'all got to turn around. I'm just pulling up to the crib. Hey, this the real challenge though. Getting in your driveway. That shit. Matter of fact, I'm about to make a dog ass entrance. And then if I hit my pop's car, he gonna beat my ass. Bro, please stop, cause what are you doing? We up here. Light work. That's light work. That's what I'm talking about. Whoever say you can't drive a muscle car, well, you can drive a Dodge product. Any Dodge muscle car in the snow. I don't care what nobody say. As long as you got some good tires. Shit. Hey, but yeah, though. I want to talk to y'all right fast. Let me turn this boy off. I just want to talk to y'all right fast about something. Get the scenery right. Cops really out here. But anyway, so, like I was saying, well, like I wasn't saying. So I've been talking to y'all. I put up on the community tab, you feel me? Like, what do y'all want me to do? What y'all want me to get next for the channel? Some of y'all saying keep the scat or whatever, but I want to move forward. I'm in a position to move forward. So I want to try to move forward and get a new car for y'all next year. It's no rush or whatever. So it's going to be like springtime-ish. February, March, April type time frame. So, but I do want to get a new car for you guys. Now, I gave up some good, you almost crashed. I gave some good options or whatever. I let y'all pick because, you know, I care about y'all more than my personal, because y'all the ones that's going to support me. Y'all the ones that's going to be watching them ads, you feel me? All that good stuff. And a lot of people, I say M3, BMW, all this other stuff, but y'all still want me to get a cat. Now, my mom, like, everybody got a cat, you feel me? It's getting old. But apparently y'all want a cat, so I'm coming 2021 cat. Now, the real question is, am I going to come red eye or am I going to come Hellcat and just build it or whatever? I'm still thinking about it. We'll see in due time. But yeah, if this is your first time watching, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff for me. Watch them ads, y'all. I really need y'all to watch some ads. If y'all going to support me getting this big red eye, big cat, whatever I get, feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, feel me? Leave a comment below if you think I'm making the right decision. Y'all opinion, whatever. But yeah, this is the end of the video. It's your boy j.koolii. It's cold, as y'all can see, my freaking breath. I'm out this thing. Until next time, peace.